Greetings from the Office of Accessibility at Winthrop University. The following video will help guide you through the process of registering with the Office of Accessibility. We will review how to begin the process by submitting an accommodations request form and providing the office with supplemental documentation. The purpose of registering with the Office of Accessibility is to ensure an equal opportunity for success in your college experience by making sure that reasonable accommodations are determined and implemented in an appropriate manner. Registering with our office ensures that you'll be able to access your courses, textbooks, and assignments so that you have the same opportunity to succeed as any other student. Students who would like to receive accommodations from the Office of Accessibility need to officially register for services and accommodations. The registration process has 3 steps. Step 1 is to complete the OA accommodations request form, and Step 2 is to upload any documentation that verifies your disability and/or condition. Step 1 and Step 2 are completed via the OA accommodations request form. To access the OA accommodations request form, you will begin at the Winthrop website at winthrop.edu. On the top menu, find Academics, then find Resources and Support Services. In the left-hand menu on this page, find Accommodations. Once you are on the OA website, you will go to the left-hand menu and find Registration and click on How to Register. This page provides an abundance of information for students regarding our registration process. When you are ready to begin the request form, scroll down to Step 1 and complete the OA accommodations request form. To access the application, you will log into your Winthrop account. This is the same username and password that you use to access your Winthrop email and Wingspan accounts. Once you are logged in, you will go to the New Student Application box and click on Start New Application. Within this application, you will complete both Step 1 and Step 2 of the application process. To complete Step 1, you will fill out all of the required information on this page. Step 2 is uploading your documentation on the next page. And once you've filled out all of the required information here, you will click on Create Application Draft. After creating your application draft, you will be taken to a second page to upload your disability documentation. Here you will upload any documentation that verifies your disability and/or condition. If you do not have any documentation or paperwork, you may download a disability verification form off of our website. The PDF can be found under Step 2 on the registration page where we found the OA registration form. This form will need to be completed by your treating specialist. If you do not have your documentation ready, your application draft can be saved to complete at a later date. It is important to remember that your application is not completed and cannot be processed until you have uploaded your disability documentation to your application. If you have any difficulties or have any questions related to submitting your application or uploading files, please contact the OA. Step 3 of the registration process is to check your Winthrop email. Once the OA has received your application and documentation, you will receive a confirmation email to your Winthrop email account. This will include instructions for how to schedule your intake appointment with us. We will also reach out to you via email if we need any additional information that has not yet been provided to our office. As always, please feel free to reach out to our office if you have any questions or need assistance. You can contact us at 803-323-3290 or at accessibility@winthrop.edu.